From the Mount Washington Radio Group online newsroom, I'm Gare McKenzie. The fire chief in Effingham says a two-story wood frame building used as a garage was heavily damaged by fire yesterday. Randy Burbank says his firefighters responded to 24 Rufus Mountain Road just before noon. A first alarm was declared, and firefighters from Freedom, Ospey, and Wakefield also responded. Burbank says on arrival, responders found flames in the rear of the building spreading to the second floor, which was destroyed. Part of the second floor collapsed, and there was smoke and water damage to the first floor. The fire was brought under control about 45 minutes later. No injuries were reported. Last year at their fish fry, the members of American Legion Post 46 in Conway raised and donated $2,500 to the North Conway-based Visiting Nurse Home Care and Hospice of Carroll County. And tonight, members of the public are invited to the Legion Hall at 47 Tasker Hill Road for the second annual fish fry, as the Legionnaires try to beat last year's contribution. Registered nurse Sandy Ruka, the executive director of the nonprofit Visiting Nurse and Home Care, says income from Medicare, Medicaid, and insurance doesn't cover the cost of services her organization provides. And with government cutbacks, she counts on increased fundraising and donations to replace operating losses.
We feel overwhelmed by their support. They approached us, they've done all the work, and we get the benefit from it. The support from them, the community is really important to us, and we really can't express our appreciation enough for what they just reached out to us and have done.
Ruka says donations from groups like the Legion help keep more people living at home in dignity. She says her staff uses passion for compassion to provide exceptional home care that enables patients to live independently and enjoy a high quality of life. Ruka says the fish fry, that includes homemade battered fried haddock and French fries, followed by a dance and entertainment donated by the Echo Tones, is a fun social occasion. Dinner will be served at the Post this afternoon starting at 5:30, with dancing and entertainment following at 8 o'clock. The cost is $10 for adults, $5 for kids under 12. Local businesses have donated items for an auction, and there'll be a 50-50. All proceeds will be donated. For more information, call the Post at 603-447-3927. For more information about the work of the visiting nurses, see the website at vnhch.org. In Maine news, Maine clinicians and the Maine Medical Association are calling on lawmakers to support a bill to expand Medicaid coverage under the federal health care law. Dr. Amy Madden, a physician at Belgrade Regional Health Center and chair of MMA's legislative committee, said in a statement yesterday the group, quote, believes there is a way forward and the will exists at the State House to find it. Democrats are pushing a bill similar to one vetoed by Republican Governor Paul LePage last year to allow the state to withdraw from the expansion after 3 years when the federal government begins to lower its share of the cost. House Republican leader Ken Fredette says many special interest groups are calling for the expansion, quote, because they stand to profit from it. In sports, in college basketball, UMass Lowell rallied in the second half to beat Maine 74-62 last night, and New Hampshire got a 60-56 win over Albany last night. In the weather today, mostly sunny, highs 5 to 11 above. West winds around 10 miles per hour. Wind chill values as low as 20 below zero. Becoming mostly cloudy tonight, cold with lows around 6 below. Cloudy on Saturday, snow mainly in the afternoon, accumulation around an inch. Not as cold with highs in the mid-20s. From the Mount Washington Radio Group online newsroom, I'm Gare McKenzie.